Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about disposal of seeds. In this lesson, we are discussing different ways by which plants reproduce. So far, we discussed about how the plants reproduce from the seeds. Apart from seeds, plants also reproduce with their body parts, that is spores, roots, stems, and leaves. Today, we are going to study the topic is reproduction from other plant parts. Reproduction from other plant parts. Some plants such as ferns, mushrooms grow from their spores. See the picture. This is ferns leaves with spores. Okay, this plant is, which plant was the name of the plant? Ferns. See the red colored dots. What is this? This is called spores. Okay. Ferns plant do not bear fruits, so they do not produce seeds. Such a plant produce tiny structures on the undersurface of their leaves. That is called spores. Where it is present spores? It is present under surface of the leaves. The spores falls on the soil and start to grow a new plant. So from this way, spores plant reproduce their own kind. Spores. Some plants such as ferns produce tiny structures on the undersurface of their leaves. These are called spores. Spores are the reproductive structures of the plant. They germinate under favorable condition to give rise to new plants. Next, we will discuss the plant parts, that is root, stems and leaves. How from the plant parts the new plant will grow. From the root, how it will grow new plant. From the stem and from the leaves. Okay, reproduction of plants from their body parts is called vegetative propagation. What's the meaning of vegetative propagation? Reproduction of plants from their body parts other than seeds is called vegetative propagation. First we will see from roots how new plant will grow from the roots. Carrots, radish, sweet potato and turnips. What are they? They are vegetables, isn't it? How it will reproduce? You will get new plant? Have they any seed? No. They produce a new plant from their root. Have you seen where it is present in the plant part? It is present in the root part, isn't it? So, they do not have seeds. They reproduce, take place in the part of plant. Which one? Root. From roots, plants such as carrots, radishes, turnips, sweet potatoes and dahlias can reproduce through their roots. Next heading, from stem. From stem, how we will get new plant. See the picture. What vegetable is this? This is a potato, isn't it? Have you seen like the potato in your home, at your home? What is this? This is called eye. This is called eye. From that eye, the shoot, that is the new plant will grow. From that eye, the new plant will grow. It forms a new plant. From that shoot, new plant will form. So, potato also, without seed you will get a new potato. And another one example, sugar cane. You know very well about sugar cane. How will you get a new sugar cane plant? Sugar cane has any seed? No. You cut the sugar cane and place it in one place and water it regularly. It will grow a new sugar cane plant. Isn't it? So yeah, we are not using seed for sugar cane plant. From the stem, you will get new sugar cane plant. Some more examples: rose plant and money plant. You know very well about money plant. Most of them have your home money plant. How will you get your new money plant? Or you put seed? No. Just you cut the stem and place it in one pot. It will grow a new plant, isn't it? So sugar cane, potato, money plant, ginger, rose also reproduce from their stem. From stem. It is a common sight to see shoots emerging from potatoes or gingers. Potatoes and gingers are stems of the plants. Potatoes have tiny buds or eyes on them, from which new plants arise. Plants such as money plants, roses, and sugar cane can produce new plants from their stem cuttings. Next, from leaves. See that picture? This plant name is Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. See this leaf carefully. This is new plant, new small plant is there. This side is there. What is this? This is bud. From that bud, plantlet. Plantlet means what is that? Small plant. From that bud, plantlet will grow. It falls on the soil and start to grow a new plant. What's the name of the plant? Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum has new plantlet. From the buds, the plantlet will grow. It falls on the soil and it will grow a new plant. From leaves, some plants such as Bryophyllum and begonia reproduce through their leaves. Tiny plantlets grow along the leaf margin. This is leaf margin. Along the leaf margin, tiny means what is that? Small. Plantlet, new small plant will grow. When the plantlets drop or come in contact with moist soil, they grow into adult plants. So, students, apart from the seeds, plants reproduce from their body parts like spores, roots, stems and leaves. Okay, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you.